the circuit shown below, the current I is equal to. Before solving this circuit, we should know some of the formulas of Y and delta transformation. Okay. See, this looks like what? Delta. 6 ohm, 6 ohm and 6 ohm. 6 and these both points can be combined to this point. Alright. And this is going here and this is going here. This can be converted into Y transformation. Like this. We should find what is R1, R2, R3. For that, there are some formulas. Whenever you have a delta transformation, that can be represented with a Y transformation. That is, I am drawing equivalent. Let us say the resistance values are R1, R2, R3. This is RA, RB and RC. Okay. Means what am I saying is, I can represent this delta transformation by this Y transformation. Means instead of this black one, you can put this blue one at these nodes. And you can work out. Okay. This I am calling as RA, RB and RC. RA is given by R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay. RB is asked R1 into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. RC is equal to the nearest things multiplication, R2 into R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is to be remembered for this. Okay. Now let us solve this. In this circuit, let us redraw the circuit. It is given 14 angle 0, 4J and minus 4J. 4J minus 4J. Now what I said, 6 was there. These 3 6 were there here. Let us say A, B and C. What is RA? RA is equal to 6 into 6 by the nearest things are 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6 plus 6, that is 3 into 6. Okay, RA is equal to how much? 2 ohm. Similarly, RB, RC are also 2 ohm because all are 6 ohm. Okay, therefore I can write this as 2, 2 and 2. 2 ohm, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. Now see these both. These both are in series, these both are in series. Therefore, we can write this as 14 angle 0. First part is 2 plus 4J. And this one is also in series. Therefore, this is 2 minus 4J. These both are parallel to each other. And 2 ohm is in series with this both. We shall simplify this part. Okay, these both are in parallel. Therefore, 2 plus 4J are equivalent is equal to 2 minus 4J by 2 plus 2, 4. A into B by A plus B, right? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Therefore this is 4 plus 16 by 4 is equal to 5. And this 5 ohm is in series with 2 ohm. Therefore 5 plus 2, 7 ohm. R equivalent I'll write equal to 7 ohm. This is this part, and with this also total R equivalent. Okay. Now I can draw this as 14 angle 0 and what? A simple resistor of 7 ohm. Now applying the loop KVL, V equal to 14 angle 0 equal to I into R. I into R is 7. Therefore I equal to 2 angle 0. Therefore I is 2 ampere. I equal to 2 ampere. Okay. B is the option.